Hello everybody, my name is Ben, also known as Scorpio, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Govee 5m DreamColour LED strips. What sets this LED strip apart from the conventional LED strips is its excellent app control, which features a plethora of customization options as well as the ability for this particular strip to react to sounds. This feature makes music, movies and games feel much more immersive. We'll take a more in-depth look at these features later on in the video. But first and foremost, let's take a look at the box and find out what's inside. The packaging for this strip is very simplistic and clean, although it appears that the packaging may have been updated on the Amazon store page to a more colourful variant. As mentioned previously, this is the 5m strip, which you can pick up for £29.99 from Amazon. As always, the link can be found in the description below. Moving on to the inside of the box, we are greeted with the usual paperwork, including a feedback form, a conventional user manual and a handy guide for the correct installation of the product, such as which surfaces it can adhere to, and also how to use the provided clips to reinforce the strip placement if needed. As you can see here, they suggest that the LED strip would not be suitable on knitted wool fabrics, dust walls, rough plastic surfaces or any frosted glass. Underneath the paperwork we find the RGB strip coil itself. As expected, the strip comes with a self-adhesive backing which will allow you to stick to most surfaces without the need for any reinforcement. At the bottom of the packaging we can find the control box, which has a few buttons to allow you to use the LED strip without the mobile app. I'm assuming most people would use the dedicated app, but it's nice to have a few options either way. And finally, it's the UK mains power socket. Depending on where you're located, you will receive your localized socket. As you can see, the setup for these LED strips is very simple. All you have to do is plug the power socket straight into the supplied control box, and then from the control box you plug straight into the RGB strip, which I'll show you soon. This is another area where Govee have exceeded my expectations. By including a clip to hold the RGB strip to the power connector, it means there's a much reduced chance of there being a breakage in this area. Also, as mentioned earlier, there is 3M tape on the back of the strip, which is a great adhesive for sticking directly to a desk, wall or so on. I thought I'd quickly show you the included clips and nails that can be used to reinforce the strip in areas where it may become looser, or just to keep it looking neat. There is only 5 clips and nails included in the packaging, but I know you can pick these up quite cheaply if you did require any more. Finally, we have the alcohol preparation pad, which we use to clean down the dust off the surface we wish to apply the strip to. Now let's take a more in-depth look at the RGB strip itself. When connected to the power, the strip instantly powers on, showcasing its bright and vibrant array of colours. As mentioned previously, the strip is also reactive to sound thanks to a very sensitive sensor located within the control box. As you can see here, it is responding to me both tapping my finger on the desk and clapping, but it will also pick up fainter sounds like conversations. However, it does work best with sounds from movies, games and music. You can also cycle through colours and functions from the control box, however it comes into its own with the dedicated app, so let's take a look. The first step was to connect the strip to the Govee Home application via Bluetooth, and unlike many apps this worked first time, giving me a great first impression. Once you've made it here, the rest is really up to you. There is lots of options to suit all your lighting needs, such as a timer, brightness slider, a DIY mode which I'll show you shortly, music, colour, scene modes, as well as all the options that these include. The app is also very intuitive, making it very easy to swap between colours and scenes with just a single tap. And the inclusion of the colour wheel means that you can find the exact colour that you're after to match your gaming setup, living room or wherever you decide to put your lights. So the DIY mode allows you to customise the Govee light strip even further. It allows you to select exactly which colours you wish to include, and also a great variety of styles that include fade, jumping, flicker, marquee, music and also a combo mode that allows you to combine multiple styles together. Before I end this video, I'd like to show you what the LED strip is like when combined with the music, so sit back and enjoy. Just a quick disclaimer, Govee were kind enough to send these lights out to me, but all thoughts and opinions are my own as this is not a sponsored video. I just want to say a massive thank you to all of the support I've received this year. Your kind comments are very much appreciated. I cannot believe the channel is nearing 8,000 subs right now and has passed 1 million views recently. Onwards we go to 10k. Love you all. See you next time.
Make me feel alright, 'cause baby we are always shining.